Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video we will show you how to create a dashboard in your own Pandora FMS console. First, we will point out that dashboards are a Pandora FMS Enterprise version feature and that they allow each user to build their own monitoring page. You may add more than one page, and in there you may add monitoring maps, graphs, and status summaries, among other elements. Once this brief introduction done, let's go to Reporting Dashboards to create a new one. By clicking on New Dashboard, you will be shown a configuration screen where to enter the name it will have, the group it will belong to, and 2 tokens that you may enable so that it is a private element to which only the user that created it, the Pandora FMS administrator, and another to add it to the favorites view will have access. The latter means that once created, it will appear in a new sub-menu as we see on screen. Now that we have given the initial configuration to the dashboard, we will continue adding the elements that we're going to want it to display. As soon as we click on OK, the option to add our first widget is right away enabled. You see that there's a wide selection available to add, and all we have to do is select what we need and configure the parameters it asks for. For example, we're going to select the tree view, which allows us to control the agents in our environment and quickly see if any of them are in critical or warning status. You may also interact with the view and check the graphs or data and go to the agent itself as you see. To keep on adding elements or widgets, just click on the icon in the upper right menu that has a plus within a circle. Follow the process of choosing the element that you want to integrate into the cell and configure it if necessary. Now, for example, we're going to add a visual console, for which we select the corresponding item. We configure from the widget icon and choose the visual console that we want to see. As in the previous example, we can move around the console exactly as if we were in its view. We can go back and forth between consoles if we have them linked, and we can go to the agent if it is linked. Other examples of widgets that we may add are the content of a URL, an event view with a filter that we want or that shows us absolutely all of them in a period of time that we indicate, or some type of graph from those available. Once you have the elements that you want to have displayed in your dashboard, we will see other actions that we can carry out, such as increasing or decreasing the size of the widget or relocating them as we want. Once we're done with these settings, disable the editing token, staying in view mode. If you wish to make any changes or add some other element, just re-enable it. The rest of the options that we have in this menu are going to the list of created dashboards, setting it in full screen, which also allows us to change the screen refresh time, or getting a public link to share it with whoever we want. The last 2 sections allow us to see different dashboards that we have created. On the one hand, we can select from the following drop-down which one we want to see, and it will load its view. And on the other hand, we can choose the Slideshow Mode. This will allow us to define which of the dashboards in our environment we want to see on our monitor and how often it will go to the next one. If you wish to do it manually, you may click on each of the buttons to go to the next one, go back, pause, or stop. That way you will have your dashboard created and you may manage them as you wish. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.